Hello, Rohan.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Hello.
Uh, yeah, please, can you turn on your camera?
Okay, yeah. Just a second. Am I looking, ma'am? Oh,
Yeah,
good afternoon, ma'am.
yeah, good afternoon. Yeah, so we'll start with your interview. Yeah, first, introduce yourself.
Ma'am, my name is Rohan Panchal and I am currently studying in second year BCA from Udgir. I have studied HTML, CSS and HOF, many string methods, array methods and all that.
Okay, yeah. Just tell me what is the HTML?
It is hypertext markup language. Its full form is hypertext markup language and it is used to create the web pages between communication of user and developer.
Okay, and what is CSS?
It is a makeover of an HTML document to create or look very attractive or something you should say that makeover of HTML document.
Okay. What is difference between HTML tag and HTML element?
HTML tag and I don't see any difference between HTML tag and HTML element because this work is same only. By the way, it is for web pages and HTML element is for it collects all the elements in that.
Okay, you can search it after interview. There's
Okay,
one difference between that.
okay, I will try.
Okay. What is attribute?
Attribute in the sense it gives your HTML page information or any other information to the browser.
Okay, can you give me one example?
There is an image tag.
Okay.
It is an image attribute. Yeah, its value is link, some online link. It gives the link information to the browser.
Which tag it's having?
Image
Uh,
image tag and there is source in image element. There is source.
in image, what is an attribute?
Source.
Okay. 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 What is different? What is box model?
It is differentiated between padding, margin, and border. Box model means padding. It is in the sense different space between border and content is called padding, and the margin and the space between margin and padding is called as border. And margin means outside the box. The space outside the box is called margin.
Okay. And what is box sizing?
Box sizing, it is same, ma'am, but we can use our helpful things. Matlab, we can change it.
For what purpose we are using box sizing?
Means box sizing, it is we have created some paragraph and in that we have to use for content box or border box. Means it is by default there is a content box and we can create by border box. It should be in perfect
Okay.
margin or padding.
Okay. What is difference between inline and block elements?
Block elements, it always starts from new line. It always starts from new line and uh, it is by default there is some margin padding, margin and height, and block element there it doesn't start on new line. It is one by one after that in the sense alternative, and the margin and height is not applied to it. An example of inline element is span and block is paragraph.
Okay. What is selectors?
There are what is selectors. It is means if we have many elements, we can select by its attributes or its value. There are different type of selector, pseudo elements, or tag selector. Uh, we can select that element to give CSS. It is right or not? I
Okay.
don't mind
What
actually.
is difference between okay? What is difference between pseudo class and pseudo element?
Pseudo class is for a pseudo class is for a means I have heading, paragraph, and two three things, and means same value or same link or that we can use pseudo classes or pseudo element in the sense. Um, just a second. Pseudo elements by pseudo elements when we can we can we can extract tag or elements name by which we can give CSS.
Okay. Hover active focus is a pseudo class or pseudo element?
However, activity is pseudo element.
Then what is pseudo class? Example?
Oh, shit. Pseudo class. It is attribute. Just a second, ma'am. Pseudo class. Attribute. Attribute value, attribute selectors, or means suffix, prefix. We can join that by dollar.
Okay. What is descendant selector?
Descendant selectors. I thought that ma'am not reminding just now. Descendant combinate selector. Descendant selectors. Yes, ma'am. There is attribute that much only.
What is parent child selector?
Parent child means if you given body, then it will apply to the child. Means in that body we have paragraph. It can give automatically to paragraph only. If you give background color to body, then it will go to paragraph only.
Okay. Parent child selector is called as descendant selector. And what is the representation of direct child?
Direct child, ma'am, we can use direct only. Means that sign is there.
What is the yeah? What is the symbol we used in
Mm,
CSS?
what is symbol? This parent child. Oh,
Okay, I will give you option greater than, less than, plus or tilt.
ma'am, first one greater than.
Okay. And for next immediate sibling,
Next immediate sibling, there is immediate sibling. Third one option, ma'am. What you tell? I just not recognizing it. H1
less
plus
than, greater
T
than, tilt or plus.
plus ma'am plus.
And next all siblings.
Next all sibling, there are different siblings. Means we can give by their name also or their nine type last type. By that we can create even odd 2n plus 1. By their following just serial numbers, we can apply the CSS.
Okay. What is difference between display none and visibility hidden?
Display none and visibility hidden. It works same alike, but display none it gives empty space, or visibility none it cannot create empty space. Means we have just
Okay.
three boxes, we have just three boxes, and we have visibility none to third one. It will not create the empty box. Means it will not create the empty box, and by we have used display none, it can create that space.
Okay. Which change our layout, display none or visibility hidden?
I can't hear, ma'am. What you tell?
If I am having one div,
Yes, ma'am.
hello.
Oh, I am hearing, ma'am.
If I am having one div,
Okay.
I'm having one div,
Yes,
and
ma'am.
I give the div as a display none.
Huh.
So what happened?
A display,
It will
ma'am.
change our layout structure or
No.
not?
Yes, ma'am. It will change. Means some space is created.
Okay. What is opacity?
Opacity we can blur means from high quality to low quality. Opacity one is not seen. High quality to low quality means we have given opacity 0.1. Sorry, 0.5. It is half blurred. Blurring path means as in ascending order there is a
Okay.
blurring path.
Okay. What is the range for that?
0.1 to 1, 0.5 to 1. As our needed
This is 0
0.1.
to 1.
Okay. 0 to 1.
What are the CSS positions?
Fix, absolute, sticky, and fixed, absolute, relative. There are four: fixed, sticky, absolute, and relative. And top, right, left, bottom.
Okay. Can you explain it?
Uh, uh, mm, I can, ma'am. Just a second. If you have given, I will tell first position, absolute, relative, and static and fixed. Position relative means, ma'am, we have can move the stable element or the something else. And in absolute, if you have given absolute, then that there is a body. Example, body is there. We have given body is always relative, and we have created a some div in that, and we have given absolute. It goes in body only. And fixed and static means, fixed means it create a line that is fixed. We can scroll down, but it cannot move their place. And stick means we can move that from one to another, or but layer wise. These are the
Okay. And
position.
okay. What is the default position?
What default position of body is relative.
No, I'm saying asking you what is the default
Default
position?
default position, static.
Okay. Yeah. What is JavaScript?
JavaScript means we can by HTML element we can create functionality over it.
Okay. Who designed JavaScript?
Brendan something else, ma'am. I am not pronouncing rightly, but Brendan something like that.
Okay. What are the data types?
There are there are string, numbers, and boolean, undefined, null. There are 5 to 6 primitive, non-primitive data type. In that primitive data type, there are number, string, boolean, null, undefined, and not defined. And uh, non-primitive. I'm just not recognizing, ma'am.
Okay. What is difference between undefined and not defined?
Means undefined. There is undefined. Just a second, ma'am. Undefined. We have declared something and we have not given its value. That is not defined. And we have given value, but it is not. Means we have console it upper side, and it's some part of host thing that we have console upper side and given the value downside. It is called not defined. It will provide not defined. And not defined means we have executed but not given value. And not defined means, sorry, undefined means we have consoled upper side and the value is given downside. It is called undefined. Value is not recognizing is known as undefined. And not defined means we have created the declaration but not given value. It's called not defined. I think I'm just little bit confused, but that's
Okay. What the concept is called? Just you tell that uh, we just declare the variable and
Ma'am,
console
just
it
a second.
above.
Okay, I am recognizing
What that
hosting,
concept
hosting,
called?
hosting, hosting, hosting.
Okay. What is string interpolation?
Means we have created an object and we have to extract from one by one by using in JS, and we can by later then we can give functionality over it. By string interpolation we means extracting the things from object to give a result.
What is type corrosion?
What man? Type corrosion.
Yes.
Corrosion. This time not reminding it, but I have studied it. Can you give me one example, ma'am? I will recommend it. Hello.
Yeah. Okay. You search after interview.
Right.
Um, what is a function?
A function. What is it means? It is function that we have some element. Sorry, we have some function. We can use reusability. It has the property of reusability. We can create. We can add numbers or subtract functions. Means it has some important work to do on the declaration.
Yeah. What is this?
What, ma'am?
This keyword.
This keyword means we have console. There is subdivisions in in nested object. If we have sub, then we can use this. Means we cannot go to the parent object. We have only child object. We can extract from it. String interpolation can happen by this also. Means not given to parent, direct child. We can extract that.
Okay. What is scope?
It is a certain scope. Means all the thing. It is a certain scope. Means I have a function. I have a function or arrow function in that it will not give. It will not go outside that the scope. It is a scope, or all the j's in the, it is a scope, I think. No, it is arrow function. Mean example, for an arrow function I have declared something or I have parameters. In that scope only it will run. It will all the things will happen. That type of scopes are that. Scope is that.
What are the types of scope?
uh, Type of scope, I think, ma'am, there are not trigger reminding me. Sorry.
Okay. For extracting string part, which method we are using?
Dollar ES6.
I'm asking which methods,
For
which
extracting
string method we are using. Extracting string part.
extracting string part.
Yes.
The iterating method. Sorry, sorry. I have studied, ma'am, but I have not understand question properly. I didn't
We
understand
are
the
having one string.
okay.
Let's, I love JavaScript.
Okay.
I have to extract only
Uh,
I love. Only
okay.
that
First
string I
index.
have to extract.
First index
For
of
that, we
first index of we can extract, or by giving index number we can extract, or by first index of we can extract that one.
index of what did index of method? What
Uh,
it's written?
Ma'am, it returns means removed. Sorry. added element it returns, added elements or extracted removed elements. It
Hmm.
it returns the removed
Ca-
element.
Can we give multiple index number to index of?
No, ma'am. I think no. There is. We cannot give the multiple index number. We have. Yes, ma'am. We can give by 2, 3, 4, 5. What is the index number that we want to extract? We can give it.
Sure.
I think so, ma'am.
Okay. What is difference between slice and splice?
Okay. Slice and splice.
Yes.
Means when slice it removes the element and it cannot recognize its either side or that side, and splice means add or adding a number, adding means what you have to add in that. It is right or not, ma'am?
How many parameters we pass in slice and in splice?
Parameters are there in that. Mm, by this index number we can. I'm just confusing little bit. I have practiced a lot of much, but confusion. Slice.
Okay. What is difference between two string method and join method?
Two string methods and joint methods. By
Yeah.
joint we can add the comma full stop by adding the two strings. Join methods and
It's string method or array method?
join, ma'am, it is string method.
And two string?
Sorry, it is array method. I just have confused between array and string methods, but I know that two string methods, ma'am, we can concat it, and by array what you have to join, we can give comma, full stop, everything means its length never changes. We have
Okay. What is shift and unshift methods?
shift is a part of deleting and unshift is a part of adding by their index number.
Index number.
No, by only we have can first element or last first element we can remove from a shift method, and unshift method we can add remove sorry add last element.
And what is push?
We can push, we can remove first element. Sorry,
Okay.
we can add last element and pop. Sorry, pop you have not asked for, no?
Okay. Can you share your screen?
Just a second. It is visible, ma'am,
Yeah.
or just a second.
Write a program. The particular number is a prime number or not?
Prime number or not? Okay.
Yes.
Hmm. Just a second, ma'am, I have not that much formal with Visual Studio.
No, you can write in Notepad plus plus also.
That is, I have deleted. Okay, just a second, ma'am. I will take
No, just write here one program.
new text file.
Yeah, you can write.
Number.
Just
Uh,
open. Okay, sure. Right.
I will. Okay. From 1 to 50, I will print, ma'am. What is prime number or not? Okay.
No.
I will.
Uh, I will. Let's suppose user give you one number, and you
Okay.
have to find out that number is a prime or not.
I think it is some pending in my. Okay. I will try, ma'am. Hmm. No, ma'am. It's functionality. I have not reminding. Sorry. I have not studied that. Hello, ma'am.
Okay. Can you write a program for Fizzbuzz?
Yes, ma'am. I will do that. P I is buzz. Print LP and equal by 3 and print then print console is safe and then else print I equals to 5 then print. Yes, ma'am, that is.
What that mod sign do?
Ma'am, it gives reminder modulus. Ma'am, if you have means reminder is 0, then it will true or false. Means modulus. If you divisible by 9 by 3, and then reminder is 0. That modulus provides.
Okay. What is higher order function?
It is functionality we can easier or familiar to many methods. Many method we can use. Some mathematic basics are there in that. I think that much only. HOF.
Examples?
Higher order functions, there is map method, filter method, and find, sum, and every. These are HOF, higher order
Okay.
functions.
What is difference between map and filter method?
Map method means it provides functionality to all every elements, and filter it is not provided, condition is not satisfied to, it will remove that filter. And map method, it will provide all functionality to all every element in that object or string or array. And filter method, it will remove the element which does not satisfy that condition.
Okay. What is arrow function?
Ma'am, arrow functions means it is an extension of no, it is easiest way. I think it is easiest way to for easiest way to conquer an HOF means we have the parameters, and parameters go and take all the elements right now there, and we have to prove on it.
Can we use this keyword in arrow
Uh,
function?
no, ma'am, we cannot use this because in this uh, I'm reminding, ma'am, but I have not explaining. Okay, no, ma'am, it will not use this in arrow function.
Okay, Ron. That's it from my side. Yeah.
Okay, only 30 minutes.
Yeah, I'm done with interview.
Okay,
Sir will give you feedback.
okay, ma'am, thank you.
Okay. Yeah. Bye. Have a nice day.
Pleasure, ma'am.